Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the essentials. Enable NFC in your phone settings and confirm the icon appears. Once done, open Gcash, sign in, and make sure your app is updated. This prevents compatibility issues. You should verify your identity and load enough balance or link a card so payments clear instantly. Then go to Gcash settings and enable Tap to Pay or NFC payments. This registers the app with the phone's secure element and primes it to communicate with terminals. You now perform the actual payment. Open Gcash and choose Pay, then Tap to Pay so the app is active. Approach the merchant terminal and, when requested, authenticate with your fingerprint, face, or PIN. This authorizes the transaction securely. Hold the phones back against the terminal at the reader location, maintain contact for 1 to 3 seconds, and watch for the on-screen confirmation sound or vibration. Make sure the merchant's terminal displays approved and the amount matches before you step away. You finish by confirming the transaction. Check Gcash's payment history and take the merchant receipt to ensure amounts match. If the tap fails, first toggle NFC off and on, then restart the phone and try again. Transient radio conflicts often clear quickly. Once retried, authenticate and tap again. If errors persist, note the transaction time and merchant ID and contact Gcash support. They can trace declined taps and reverse charges when necessary to resolve any remaining issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.